Hey my friends, Will here over to XAUUSD.com. First, a big welcome to the video. So today's video is just a quick trade opportunity that's happening at the minute on the commodity gold. Okay, so what we're going to discuss in this video is how it works. It's a similar setup to last week when I posted regarding the USD Swiss franc. Okay, which one second, the platform's just not working here at the minute. There we go. Okay, it's going across. Okay, USD Swiss franc. Okay, so it's a similar setup to this, which is dropping nicely from last week. Okay, since last week's video. And today I'm going to give you another great setup on gold. Okay, so let's go back to the gold chart. Okay, so similar story. Okay, so it's a similar setup, but it can generate a lot more profit. Okay, so gold. We're coming up into this area here. It's been, this is the highest it's been since 2012. So this is the 2012, so I'm just holding since 2012. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years, nearly 7 years. And you can see every time it comes up to this area, it comes up, bounces up, bounces up, bounces up, bounces. Plus, this is a really good trading area. Okay, so we're inside a monthly based on my rules. Okay, weekly, we are also at this weekly area here that caused this move down here. Okay, and if you zoom out, there's a little, we're in this huge weekly area here, this small one here. Okay, we're coming into it, and this bigger one up here. Okay, so we're inside a weekly, inside a monthly, weekly, inside a monthly, and also we're just hitting this daily area here, the top of the leg move, so the start of this leg down here. We're hitting the daily zone mark, so we've got 3 confluences there. So this is what we want now, is really a signal to start happening around about now, and we're going to load the MacBot for it. Now, if you haven't got the MacBot system or my MACD indicator, you can do so by heading over to Udemy, getting my free course, or clicking the link below and actually accessing the powerful MacBot system, where I'll show you exactly bit by bit how this works. And yeah, so super powerful. We're looking for a signal on the 4-hour or the 1-hour chart or the daily. Okay, nothing's happening on either of these charts yet. In the 30-minute, you're possibly starting to see a bit of a slowing of momentum. You can see we had a 30-minute signal earlier today. So no, it's momentum. We've got the 1-hour here, 4-hour, and the daily. Okay, so what I'm going to simply do is, I don't want to be sitting about waiting for the entry to happen. I don't want to miss it, so I'm just going to load it here. First off, I'm going to show you is we'll be looking to take profits, okay, on this. And this is a unique way I look for areas to take profits. And it's a little bit of a secret. Okay, so I'm going to use the fib. I'm drawing it from the weekly zone to the current weekly zone, the bottom, top of the bottom zone, and then the start of the top zone. Okay, so that's it there. And what I'm just looking for is kind of areas where prices broke out from before, and see if it confluences up with kind of fibs. Okay, so the first area that points out with me there is this high here that was taken out. Okay, so that's going to be my first target on the weekly. Okay, and then going down would be this one here to 61. So they're going to be my really 2 targets for this trade. Okay, so I'm going to load the MacBot for this one here. I'm going to see how many pips it is. So around about 300. Okay, so I'm just going to right click. We're just going to go to Expert Advisors. Okay, so properties, one standard lot for gold. Take profit is 300. Stop loss is the close at opposite divergence will close on an opposite divergence in any one of the time frames. Max orders will be 1. True. So the signal time frames on this are going to be daily, 4 hour, and 1 hour. We're only looking to short the market, so we have to make sure this is short, and we're going to enable live trading. What this does for me, it simply takes away all the hard work for me. I don't need to sit at the screen. I'll just do the analyst like I've done in this video and just enter the market. Okay, so make sure allow live trading, auto trading is on there. And I've got a smiling face. You can see it's a live account. We've got a smiling face. And I'm just going to leave this and let the market get us in. Okay, so it's all loaded and ready to go. So again, we've got a week monthly from 2012 into this area every time it comes down. Really from 2015 hits here and comes down. Okay, so it's an area where we can get a good persistent trade from. And you can see in the video where my unique targets are this one and then this one. So what I'll actually do, I'll see how it reacts when it comes to this area here. And if it reacts, I'll follow it down to around this area here. Okay guys, so to access the MacBot system, you can click the link below. And to stay updated with all my latest videos, hit the subscribe button. Because a lot of times I don't actually email these videos till a bit later in the day. So if you want to stay fresh and get the latest videos as they appear in the latest trades, I suggest to subscribe to the channel, and looking forward to hearing from you. So I'll speak to you soon. Well over to fxace.com.